Imagine a digital workspace so intuitive, it feels like an extension of your own thoughts, where creativity flows effortlessly and team projects come to life. That's the magic of Dropbox Paper, a versatile platform that empowers both individuals and teams to sculpt ideas, build project plans, and keep everyone in sync. Whether you're a solo creator, jotting down spontaneous bursts of inspiration, or a team orchestrating a complex project, Paper's clean interface welcomes your ideas. It's not just about text. Paper thrives on rich media, embed images, videos, even interactive whiteboard sketches, bringing your documents to life and making information engaging. Watch your ideas evolve in real time. With co-editing, multiple team members can contribute to a single document simultaneously, seeing each other's changes as they happen, fostering seamless collaboration. From early-stage brainstorming sessions where messy thoughts are welcome, to meticulously outlining detailed project plans, Paper adapts to your workflow. This flexibility makes it the ideal tool for ensuring everyone is truly on the same page, fostering a shared understanding and driving projects forward with clarity. Dropbox Paper isn't just a document editor. It's a launchpad for your creativity and a catalyst for effective teamwork.